If you want to remove this background, the Photoshop can help me? Yes, alright, you can use the erase tool. No, I think that you're confused. You cannot remove the background. Oh, I have one more ways to remove this background. Okay, show me please. We just click on channel, make channel copy, click on MX and click adjustment. And next click level. And after adjust the size please. And next click on select and click on inverse. And hide RGB color and next click mask. Why is not remove the background? Okay, I will to show you. If you want to remove this background, is quickly. I use pen tool for selection the objects. Okay, after I select the object, I just press Ctrl Enter to make selection object here. And next I click on select and click inverse. In the example, it means that the selection will catch without the object. Next press the key delete. Okay, the background will remove from your pictures. But look at this, you need to remove this background. And I use pen to the same to selection remove the background. Here next to selection the object and use the history brush to call the object back. Okay, now the object will back and look at the background remove from these pictures. And I think that this quickly and got a good picture. Okay, thank you for your love sharing. See you next video.